Hello friends, today I am sitting on this bedstead and very simple environment, and I am also eating these pieces of cucumber, and while applying some salt on this, because if we eat without salt, then our blood pressure will not be maintained. To keep our blood pressure at best level, it is necessary that eat these pieces of cucumber with salt. And salt is also adding the taste of this piece of cucumber. So today I will talk on social issue, and that social issue is that sometimes in our society some nude type of pictures, some naked kind of pictures released by fault or by knowingly. So when you come across these kind of pictures, you become the source of spreading those pictures ahead. I think that one should not become the part of spreading. A story came in front of me that, and she was a married woman and she was involved illegal relations with someone else, and that person released her pictures, naked pictures and nude kind of pictures, and that is not good. First of all, this is the fault of that woman, and second fault is the person who is involved, and we should not become the source of dissemination of those pictures ahead in the society, because in some societies it is considered bad to share the nude and bad kind of pictures of women, and it is not considered good. So we should first of all make ourselves able that we should not involve in illegal activities. We should try to be pious and a good person of the society, and when we will do the illegal act, I'm also eating this cucumber while talking. I'm applying a little bit amount of salt. So by saying, I mean that this is bad, and if this is my suggestion to you, if you come across some kind of family members pictures, you should not share those pictures ahead. Instead of sharing, you should try to stop the further sharing of those illegal nude pictures, because when you will do this, automatically you will be saved, because you are not the person of that mentality who make the fun of other people's mistakes or illegal activities. You can stop those illegal activities by sitting together, discussing the issues, and by giving the lectures, moral lectures, and what the religion says about this kind of activities. So I think that this is the lack of education, the moral education, practical education. So we should try to give the education formal. We are providing the formal education, but upbringing is necessary. We should try to upbring the pupil, not educate. Education is necessary. We are just educating. We are not upbringing. Upbringing is necessary, and that is the duty of parents. That is the duty of the teachers, beginners. When your children are at beginning stage, this is our responsibility, that we should teach them, we should guide them, so that they should not be the victim of such kind of activities in future. Hope you found this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, and if you are new on this channel, do subscribe so that you never miss our other videos. Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you.